Hey. Oh, visiting? Oh, visiting again. After all of your animals who decide to live in the human world. We live there for a reason.
Well, why not?
Listen.
After all, I'm still a member of the family.
I just want to tell you something crazy. I heard that there's aliens. Aliens are real, but I think they are. No. But I think they're nuts. Go talk to your friends about it. And aliens are not real. What? Why would he think aliens are not real? That's what I said. He's dumb. And he's wondering why we left him. Because he's dumb. Does he's... aliens, can I get out of this ship now? No, you will leave tomorrow. Tomorrow? Oh, great jolly. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm leaving tomorrow. And I still remember that song he sang to me. I sang to him. And I... Be like me, oh yeah,